Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a two-page layout for Christmas, and it's with a hockey theme. My granddaughter is really into playing hockey, and she had a bonanza Christmas with hockey gifts. So this page is all about her. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, you can get the Design Space link to copy this page if you like it. It's posted below, and it will be in Christmas Scrapbook number 8 on my website, Me and My Cricut. So when it's posted, I'm not posting this album yet. Still working on a First Communion. Okay. So these are the photos I'm working with. She plays hockey, and they're Maple Leaf fans, poor things. And there's a hockey game she got, an air-powered hockey table. Anyway, so the papers that I'm using for this are here. This is Echo Park, Little Lumberjack. And this one is a Canadian theme, Photo Play. Canada 2, I Love Canada. It's reversible as well. And then the background paper I'm using is from this Frosted Peppermint, DCWV. I got this at Hobby Lobby, I believe. Okay, so first off, I cut some of that Canadian paper into just a big piece, and I shadowed it and made a block for a background. It has hockey sticks and toques. That's a Canadian word for a knitted hat. I think we're the only country in the world that calls them a toque. But there's some hawk skates and all kinds of Canadian images there. So I did cut, I made a little border with this check. And there's going to be a photo here. So that is why I've cut it short. And I've done another border for this side. And another border up here. I'm leaving a margin here, but I wanted this one to end underneath here. So I am also going to, I made a frame for the large photo, and so I'm moving this over because I want more of it to show. There we go. So this large photo is going on the frame like this. I just cut 2-inch strips of the check paper, and then I shadowed it with black. This is going on top. And this one will be, I think it's going here, and this one up here. So I found some great hockey images for this page in Design Space. So this one is love, and there's a puck for the O, and then a skate, and I'm putting lifters behind this. And then a hockey stick with a puck. So I'm lining those up there. And then there's a scarf. She's got a scarf here. So I'm going to put this over here. And a present up here. There's a big empty space in this photo, which I really don't care for. So I'm putting this up there. And then this ice hockey. It's kind of a title. I'm putting that up here. Now, with the scarf image, there was also a hat and gloves, and she's got a toque on. So I'm going to put that there, and just put these. Maybe I'll just do these gloves like this. All right. So I just simply matted these photos simple because the paper and the images themselves are quite busy. So that's it for this page. It took a while to do these images. They're all little pieces, and I think they're more for vinyl than they are for paper. It really took a while to do them. So I would not recommend those if you don't have many patience. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe below.